Hey guys, Josh here from Sandgate Electrics. Today we're at this Nissan Petroleum for a service. Here's some tips and tricks and stuff to help you get on the road if you have something wrong. So, basic check over your vehicles, check your brake fluids, power steering fluids, coolant, all your fluids. Checking your drive belt tension, not squeaking or any cracks in the belts. Checking battery internals, not loose. Checking your washing bottle additive for windscreen washers. Going over your engine for any obvious oil leaks and your radiator system. Also checking your tyres for any worn edges and tyre pressures for even wear and or capability of driving. Also checking all your exterior and internal lights, and also checking the performance of your batteries, their slugger starting and everything like that. Thank you.